Caldereta is a popular Filipino dish, pero nasubukan mo na ba ang Batangas version? Ito yung walang gulay at tomato sauce, pero masarsa at liglig sa linamnam. May interesting combination ng pampalasa na talaga naman solid sa sarap. Gumamit ako dito ng beef brisket, but pwede rin ang chuck roast, beef ribs, or top round. Just cut the meat into serving chunks. In a pot, magpainit ng mantika at initin ang annatto seeds to draw out their color. Alisin and discard. Saute onions until softened, then isama ang garlic at sige lang ang paggisa until aromatic. Isang kotsa ang beef until lightly browned. Timplahan ng Worcestershire sauce and sweet pickle relish. Ibuhos ng tubig at hayaang kumulo. Takpan at lutuin sa mahinang apoy until the beef is pork tender and the liquid is reduced. Check from time to time para hindi matuyuan at masunog. Once malambot na ang baka, maglagay ng chopped chili peppers for a kick of spice. Ihalo ang liver spread, peanut butter, and cheese until smooth. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Continue to simmer until malapot na ang sauce ayon sa gusto. Sarap. Rich, savory, and perfect over steamed rice, this is caldereta done right. Yung sarsa pa lang, ulam na. Kung nagustuhan mo itong recipe, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more easy dishes. Enjoy!